Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special head unit for Toyota Land Cruiser J300 2021 to 2023 years, while Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, let me show the unboxed review. And this harness and cable, this is installation dash sheet, and this head unit tree. Let me show cable exposed. This is special screws, you can check. Screws and installation, right, this left. Okay, and this canvas decoder box. And this audio and camera input, you can check this camera in. And AUX input left and right. This radio antenna. And power speaker cable connectors. So it's plug and play. This 4G SIM card slot cable, and this original USB adapter, and this GPS antenna. This 4G antenna, and there are two USB cable and external microphone. And this camera input, and this AUX video input and AUX input left and right, and this subwoofer, you can check subwoofer, and audio out left and right, front, rear. Okay. Let me show the head unit. This is the head unit, back of head unit. You can check this radio antenna, 4G GPS connection for USB and others. This is power fuse. Okay, this dash kit you can check. Okay. Okay, let me connect power on back. Okay, the head unit will be start. Okay, the head unit starts. This is home screen. And 12.3-inch LED touch screen. Okay, let me show the head unit. You can check. All apps are here. This car information. And auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And it's different theme style. Okay, this is another one, same style. Okay. Let me choose this one. Okay, all apps are here. Has this DSP amplifier. Okay, and built-in YouTube app and Play Store. You can download applications from Play Store. This built in the Google Maps. And this music. This radio, or this front camera. And this radio. This split screen. Run the Google navigation and radio or music at the same time. Okay, and let me check the settings. Already built in the Wi-Fi. You can connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, connected. And you can visit our website. Stop. Other side. You can visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com. this car information, what device you can check, and this password factory settings. Others you need to choose the brake with 0. If you note you can't watch video, and it built in the microphone and receiver on side. Android 12 system. Okay, storage, you can check the total 128 GB, memory total 8 GB, and about device, you can check the Android version 12, Android 12 version. Okay, that's all. Thank you.